We are the human organs, introduced to you by size. We all have our own videos, but here we compromise. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best that you can do for us is watch what you eat. I'm the pineal gland, I'm 172 milligrams. I am a small endocrine gland, so you understand. Located within the brain, I produce melatonin, which modulates sleep patterns. Getting lots of sleep helps you win. We are your eyes, together we weigh 15 grams. We're made up of 3 layers in any woman or man. Where are we located? We're in the front of your skull. We see the world around you to make things less dull. I am a thyroid, 25 grams is my weight. I'm a butterfly-shaped gland in the front of your neck to locate. I secrete several hormones that do regulate the heart and digestive function and your metabolic rate. I am your gallbladder, 42 grams is my size. I sit under the liver, that is where I do reside. I store the bile produced by the liver, it's what I do after you eat. I'm flap up before you eat, I'm full of bile, it's true. I am your bladder, 42 grams is what I weigh. I'm located in your pelvis, in the lower abdomen I stay. I store your urine, made by the kidneys. It travels down tubes called ureters, well, it's filling me. I'm your tongue, my weight is 70 grams, you know. Located within the mouth, I taste like a pro. I'm a muscular organ in most vertebrates. I manipulate food for mastication, then I'm used to swallow it. I'm called the pancreas, my weight is 80 grams. You see, across the back of the abdomen, behind the stomach's where I'll be. I'm part of the digestive system and I produce insulin and other enzymes and hormones that break down foods digested within. I'm a spleen, 150 grams is my weight, it's obscene. I'm located under the rib cage above the stomach, it's where I be. I'm the largest organ in the lymphatic system, you see. I keep your bodily fluids balanced, but you can live without me. We are the human organs, introduced to you by size. We all have our own videos, but here we compromise. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best that you can do for us is watch what you eat. Where your kidneys, 300 grams is our weight on average. Located in the upper abdominal area, we're like bean-shaped baggage. We extract waste from blood, balance bodily fluids, and form urine, and aid in other important functions of the body within. I'm your heart, 11 ounces, I'm about in size. I'm just behind and slightly to the left of the breastbone, I'm surprised. I pump blood through your body, supplying nutrients and oxygen to the tissues, and I remove carbon dioxide while I'm pumping. I am your stomach, 2 pounds in weight I am. I'm located on the left side of the upper abdomen. I secrete acid and enzymes that digest all of your food before passing it along to the small intestine for absorption. This is true. We are your lungs, together we weigh 2.9 pounds. Located on either side of your chest, it's where we hang around. We supply oxygen to the body and take carbon dioxide away. This is called respiration, it's a vital role we play. I'm your brain, 3 pounds is around what I typically weigh. I'm located within your cranium, or your head is where I stay. I control your thoughts, memory, speech, and movement, and the functions of many organs of the body within. We're the intestines, 7.5 pounds, we're pretty heavy. Located in your abdominal body cavity. Our job's to absorb most of the nutrients from what you eat and drink. If you stretch us out, we'd be 25 feet in length, and we're late. I am the skin, I make up 20 pounds in body weight. I cover your whole body and protect you because I'm great. I protect you from impacts and pressure and variations in temperature, microorganisms, chemicals, and radiation. We We are the human organs, introduced to you by size. We all have our own videos, but here we compromise. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best that you can do for us is watch what you eat. I'm your skeleton, 30 pounds of bone. I be from your head to your toes, located within your body. My 6 major functions are support, movement, and protection, production of blood cell, storage of minerals, and endocrine regulation. I'm your muscles, I'm 70 pounds, the largest. I'm attached to your skeleton by muscle fibers, it's a must. I change posture, locomotion, and movement of internal organs, such as heart contraction and the movement of food through the digestive system. We are the human organs, introduced to you by size. We all have our own videos, but here we compromise. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best that you can do for us is watch what you eat. We are the human organs, introduced to you by size. We all have our own videos, but here we compromise. We all work together to keep you healthy and clean. The best that you can do for us is watch what you eat. There are 206 bones in your body, you should know. We all have different jobs and functions that we're about to show. We're the top 3 smallest to the top 3 largest bones in the body. We will show you our location and functions, you will see. I am the stapes, or stirrup bone, you see. I'm the smallest and lightest bone in the human body. I conduct sound vibrations to the oval window. You couldn't hear without me, I'm shaped like a stirrup as shown. I'm the malleus, or the hammer bone. I'm the second smallest bone in the human body, you should know. I'm a hammer-shaped small bone in the middle ear. I transmit sound from the eardrum to the inner ear so you can hear. I am the incus, some call me the anvil bone as well. I'm the 3rd smallest bone, now about me I will tell. I receive vibrations from the malleus, in which I'm connected to. Then I transmit these to these stapes so your hearing can stay true. I'm your fibula, some even call me the calf bone. I'm the 3rd largest bone in your body, the most slender of the leg bones shown. Located in the lower leg, parallel to the tibia. There I stabilize the ankle and support the muscles of the lower leg here. There are 206 bones in your body, you should know. We all have different jobs and functions that we're about to show. We're the top 3 smallest to the top 3 largest bones in the body. We will show you our location and functions, you will see. I am your tibia, also known as the shin bone. I'm the 2nd largest bone, let me show you my home. Located in your lower leg, next to your fibula, you saw I form the knee joint with the femur and the ankle joint with the fibula. I am the femur, but some call me the thigh bone. I am the largest bone in your body, I also help you roam. My head fits into your hip socket, as you plainly see, while the bottom's connected to the very important knee. There are 206 bones in your body, you should know. We all have different jobs and functions that we're about to show. We're the top 3 smallest to the top 3 largest bones in the body. We will show you our location and functions, you will see. There are 206 bones in your body, you should know. We all have different jobs and functions that we're about to show. We're the top 3 smallest to the top 3 largest bones in the body. We will show you our location and functions, you will see. How do you get all of that energy your body needs? Your digestive system breaks down all that food you eat. Here's a quick tutorial of how your organs do work together, breaking down food to fuel your body, making it run better. It starts with your teeth, grinding up all your food. This is called mastication. In this video, it's true. The tongue makes the saliva produced from salivary glands, making food much softer to move on with its digestive plan. When you swallow your food after it's been chewed, it passes the epiglottis, which covers the trachea in you. Then the upper esophageal sphincter will stay closed until the brain tells it to open to let your food go. When your food's in your esophagus, peristalsis occurs. That's when your circular and longitudinal muscles will work. These two muscles contract in a wave motion shown, pushing your food toward your stomach's main digestive zone. Peristalsis brings the food to your stomach's top, where your lower esophageal sphincter lets food drop. Once the food is in your stomach, the lower sphincter closes tight in order to keep your stomach acid out of sight. The stomach's hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes are in charge of breaking down the food that you eat, turning it to chyme. This chyme is passed through your pyloric sphincter in you and me, in the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine's 3. The duodenum mixes the digestive juices from your liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, then on it will run, preparing your chyme to be passed to your jejunum. This is where your small intestine starts the absorption. Your jejunum's your second segment. I hope you're not bored. That's where most of your food's nutrients will be absorbed. After your jejunum gets all the nutrients it needs, the chyme is passed to the ileum, which concludes my parts of 3. The ileum absorbs the remaining nutrients before beginning the journey into your large intestine. The large intestine's biggest job is absorbing water from your chyme. If it didn't perform this function, you'd have loose stools all the time. The large intestine has millions of bacteria that do work. E. coli is an important one. Here's its important perks. E. coli breaks down all the chyme that your body can't digest and produces vitamin K that regulates blood clotting at best. Then the large intestine has another important part to play. It excretes all your waste to help your body stay healthy. How do you get all of that energy your body needs? Your digestive system breaks down all that food you eat. Here's a quick tutorial of how your organs do work together, breaking down food